Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a quick roux. Start by measuring equal parts flour and fat and choose butter, oil, or bacon drippings for flavor. Warm the fat in a heavy pan over medium heat, then add the flour and whisk immediately to form a smooth paste. Keep stirring and adjust heat to reach a blonde, brown, or dark color depending on the sauce you plan to make. To control flavor, watch the roux change color as it cooks, because color equals taste and thickening power. A blonde roux needs only a few minutes and keeps most thickening ability, while a brown or dark roux takes longer and offers richer, toasted notes. Stir constantly, lower heat to prevent burning, and remember that a darker roux will thin your final sauce more, so you may need slightly more roux or less liquid when finishing. Keep the roux smooth by whisking constantly and working patiently, because haste creates lumps and scorch marks. When adding stock, milk, or cream, warm the liquid first and add it in a slow stream while whisking to maintain a silky texture. If lumps form, strain or blend briefly, and remember a heavy pan and moderate heat are your best friends for even cooking and consistent results every time you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.